Good day, Jimmy. Welcome to my channel, Jimmy.z. In this episode, we keep on talking about the wrong neck, but using the flat narrow way to deal with the neck. So let's check it out. Option is over here to have the flat narrow way. And press OK. If without for loops narrowing, you don't have to change anything here. But for this file, we have to narrow 4 needles. These 4 needles have to include it in the flat narrow. Before doing that, let's deal with the young feeders first. As we did in the previous episode, replace 7 with 8 to the rubbish part on the right side. Number 3 is for right neck part, so we have to give 1 row here to land it at the right side. Treat number 3 with number 2 as embedded yarn, and the 7 as embedded yarn for the ribbon part. On the top, we change 7 with 8 to knit the rubbish part. Replace number 3 with number 8. Let number 3 and number 8 return to the left side few rows outer. Add 2 rows here, and give 3 here. Change the cycling for the bird eye. The direction for young feeders are right. And now let's deal with the neck part. Loops are still hanging there on the neck part, but the software doesn't give any warning, because in the complication option, we give 0 in this frame, meaning the loop's hanging warning is cancelled. If we give 100 here, the meaning for 100 is that since the first row the loop is knitted till the 100th row, if the loop is not replaced by the new row or it is not spitted out, the loop still hanging after 100 rows, the warning will pop up and check that out. The warning happens on the row with hanging loops on it. Okay, the way we deal with here is that flat narrow the neck as well as hanging loops on this row. Let number 3 to do the flat narrow. Replace number 5 with number 3 here and do the flat narrow from side to side. Tell the young feeder run into this row from right side to the left and let it have it in this way. Duplicate codes to this base. Delete the row here and extend this row to the right side. Extend this row to the column where it is the edge of the right side of the fabric of next row. And this row as well. The row with transition arrow is for the preparation of flat narrow. And mirror the flat narrow code. Put it to the right place. Delete codes here. And let narrow code to the right edge. Give float here. The flat narrow should be extended 4 more loops to the right side. The direction here is wrong, so give 1 float here to have the right direction for number 3 young feeder. Now the direction is right. Click HCD, check out the details for loops. Loops are covered here for shadow show rows, and the flat narrow coming after. And this is the right way to deal with the front part. Each sweater is different, so you better to assess the situation before deciding the right way to deal with the sweater. And that's for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jimmy.z, and you can also find me on Facebook, Jimmy as well. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.